Do I let it run for a couple of seconds before?
Yeah, just in case.
I mean,
So we have got some B-roll to like cut off.
Everyone else has got glasses shine.
Like, are we running? Speed. What is that supposed to mean?
Camera speed, lights.
Are we running?
Yes.
Yes.
No, we're driving.
Thank you.
Hey there everyone, welcome to our bonus round for this video. We are on our way to Home Depot to pick up some zip ties because we want to, I want to actually try something that has kind of been on my mind lately.
And he's wanting to shackle us up.
Well, hey, let's not ruin the surprise.
No, let's not surprise them. Let's not surprise them at all.
I don't think he wasn't talking about his kink just yet.
All right, so we're on our way to Home Depot. We're gonna pick up some zip ties because there's this blog that I follow, and every so often I like to read some of the articles that they have on it. Only on Tuesdays.
Oh, okay.
But
Fitting.
This article is talking about, oh yeah, if you get shackled up in zip ties, like ways that you can kind of get out of it. So we're just kind of mess around with that and see what happens. I expect broken flesh and broken skin, and we'll see what happens.
Yeah, the paramedics on call.
No, we don't. Josh isn't here.
Oh no.
We have no idea where we are going. Yeah.
We'll figure this out.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
How many do we need?
Okay, let's see what different...
Well, we have to get something to wrap around our...
So we need
I mean, if anything, we can like chain these ones together.
Couple.
200 counts.
Yeah.
Well, do we have more gauges as well too?
I don't see anything that goes higher than 14-inch.
Well,
Can
not
we
the
put yours
length,
together?
but like the poundage.
Well, am I doing this now?
Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Ow!
Better?
That was better.
Alright, let's go.
No.
You can literally lead him by the hand.
Literally. Yeah, you need some stuff.
Yeah, well, thing is, we gotta chain these together.
Yeah, some of them,
Yeah.
are small ones.
Yeah. We get the long ones.
Just a bunch of long ones.
Yeah.
You get a bunch of those. Long, that works. Okay. For 7.
This is kind of scary. I'm not gonna lie.
So they're so thick. Wait, what's the?
I don't know. Is there a
weight
way to
rating on
check?
it?
Is there a way to check like the?
Meets military specs.
Oh, jeez.
So this is legit. What we're tensile strength, 175 pounds force.
Yeah, we ain't breaking
Wait.
that.
So wait. So that's. Wait, what's the poundage here?
Breaking that.
Military spec, 175.
18, 75, and 75.
Oh wait. What's that? What's that?
175.
Oh, 175.
Military specs.
Wait, where are you seeing that?
In the back here. Military specs.
Yeah, that's
scary.
kind of crazy.
This one's 175.
That's cool.
pounds. So we stopped by Home Depot. We got zip ties, more zip ties.
Military spec.
Yeah, military spec. I'm actually kind of worried about these ones. I don't know how
No
this
one
one's
is
gonna work
getting out of that one.
But yeah,
I almost
we'll see
feel
what
like the
happens.
military grade might be slightly more realistic.
Well, we're gonna
Yeah,
start easy.
175 pounds,
Yeah,
yeah,
we're gonna
that's
start
realistic.
easy and then we'll work our way up, just so that we kind of get the feel for it, you know, and
Technique.
Yeah, the technique for sure.
Technique.
Which we'll probably explain later. Which we will explain later.
And you know, just in case, I did bring these. You know,
Oh,
so-
perfect. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
our lifeline. Just
Was
in
in your
case we
pocket
get
the whole
stuck.
time?
Yes, it was.
Okay.
Just has him on his person at every point.
Yeah, just in case he gets kidnapped, because it's like, you know, an everyday occurrence.
Right, because I could totally fish these out of my pocket and snip whatever I need to when both hands are bound.
Yeah, sounds reasonable to me. Sounds good.
It's like swallowing a key, except for that would be a little hard to swallow. And hard to retrieve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so we chose this 4-pack that has a variety of colors. That way we can mark to see who has what color and just kind of keep track that way.
Hey, we had thought on that? I thought we were just getting colors, so we wanted colors.
Oh no, you know, because like what if Kevin is orange or blue? Or,
No,
I
Kevin's
don't-
pink.
Okay.
He agreed.
What color do you want? Or you?
I'll go orange.
Orange? What do you
I'll go
want?
blue.
Okay, then I've got neon yellow. All right.
Yellow.
So, yeah.
Now we'll be able to see whether you get out or not.
We roll?
Yep.
Do we need to ever do like a countdown? Like in 5, 4? No. Just roll.
Just roll. We'll roll with it.
Okay. Alright, so we have our zip ties here, and I guess a quick rundown is the process for properly breaking out of the zip ties. I mean, obviously if you get zip tied, it's going to be behind the back, but we're just doing it from the front. And so...
Because, you know, kidnappers always...
Oh, we're going to do one in the back. We're going to do one in the back.
Oh, of course. Yeah, we'll get to that. But anyways, we are going to... you have to raise your hands above your head, And as you're bringing your elbows down quickly, you like bring your shoulders back and you try and leverage to force the zip tie apart.
Someone's gonna hit themselves in the nuts.
Who knows? Possibly, probably, maybe, most likely.
Eric, you need to do something about that cold.
I'm sorry.
I got lozenges. You want some lozenges?
So who's gonna go first?
You know what? As the patriarch of round 2, I'll go first now.
So what we're gonna do is we have these
Dad.
teeny tiny little ones. We're going to daisy chain them together. And this will kind of be our warm up just to get a feel for how we're gonna do this. Elliot, do your chores!
Why am I making this one?
Don't back sass me.
make your zip tie daisy chain.
Alright, Mom.
Is this good, Ma?
I thought you were making a crown. What happened?
Wait, what's going on?
I think we're starting with that, right? And then you can tighten it as you need.
Oh, no, I'm putting like 8 of them together, so I can...
Oh, well, I think this will be good enough for me.
Yeah, you have tiny wrists.
So can someone set up mine?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I forgot
Dave,
about that.
you get it.
Thanks.
You do it.
So, Tim's got the hardest part of this challenge because he's got to do it while holding the camera.
He just needs an extra set of hands.
Yeah.
He's got to be Goro.
Oh, I thought we were going to do his ankle.
Dude, we're tying him to the chair. Oh, wait. He doesn't know that yet. Oh, this is going to be fun, guys.
Oh, these are the tiny ones. I think you totally could do that.
It's not
As I punch myself in the nuts. It's
What?
going to happen.
You put one upside down, dude.
Did I? Oh, shit.
Yeah, that'd be very easy for you, you freaking cheater.
Yes.
Didn't even stay connected.
Now, for those of you watching at home, don't try this at home. I mean,
Even though we are trying
even
to
though
do
we're trying this at home.
We're not professionals.
We are not professionals.
We're just idiots.
This is not a good
you go.
idea. but-
Not a good idea. Okay, I
Alright.
cannot.
Dave,
That was
wasn't
a-
this your idea?
This is
Yeah,
his
it
idea.
was.
Okay, alright, here we
Safety
go.
glasses on. Alright.
Oh, I knew we were forgetting something.
Alright, so what is
Let's
it?
just sit in the chair.
No, it's okay. No, I'll stand up.
Okay.
It's whatever. Alright, so what is it?
You like
Raise
raise
my
your hands
head.
above your head, yeah, and as you bring them down, you like bring your shoulders
jeez.
back and like.
Alright, here we go. First try. Yeah.
Oh!
You just spit yourself in the nuts.
No, I hit myself in the gut. For the break.
Nice.
Yeah.
There we go.
Easy.
That's pretty
Got
good.
it.
Get it
Let's
nice.
go.
Get it nice and close.
There.
To make a note, these are what, 18 pounds? Pounds.
Just the sound is hilarious.
Now, see, I made yours even. You like made this like weird like.
It looks like a lionfish or something.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
I'll see if we can do it without like actually doing it. All right. 1, 2. Yep.
Easy, where'd it go?
Over here.
Oh, there's.
No, sir. Please, please, sir.
Do you want some more soup? Is that what you asked?
That's what got him into this mess.
Oh, you asked for soup?
I've got a family.
You're an orphan.
I got kids.
Sa.
Easy.
There you go.
Alright, round 1. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Tim, you're next.
Okay.
Give me the camera.
Well, this is giving you guys a false sense of security right
I
now.
know, right?
Like I know it. I knew it was
All right,
gonna happen.
So, can I get some help?
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
Dave, go get him.
Excuse me. Oh yeah, that was that random one that I accidentally.
Too late.
What did you want to?
You know, I'll bring it up on the next one,
Okay.
because
We can
then
do-
I can actually demonstrate it.
We can do other. We can do it again. You know?
All right.
Yeah,
Because we
but
got
enough
plenty
of
of
this, do it
zip
again.
ties. Yeah.
Here we go, ready?
That is tight.
Nice.
Wow,
that
it's
that looks
splintered in, like,
super
two
cool,
directions.
too, right?
Went there.
They lost one. Yeah, I think you lost one the other way. That was funny.
Yeah.
Nice. Good job.
Alright,
All right. Next,
what's next?
we've got these big ones
Thicker
here.
gauges.
Yep.
Here we go.
These are 75.
Yeah.
These ones are 75. Correct. 75. Just
two?
test me. Test me, Seth.
Can you guys like rotate so I can
Oh.
actually see you? Thank you.
Oh yeah. There we go. Oh, it fits.
Oh, we're filming this.
2.
Here.
All
Can you tighten
All
that?
right. So it looks like Dave's up first.
Alright,
Alright.
then you're first, Dave.
All right.
Alright.
Take the glasses back on.
Glasses on.
All right. Here we go.
It's all you.
Okay, so like, okay.
That is easy.
Told you. False sense of security.
Yeah, they gave me a false sense of security. I was like, oh, it's gonna be easy. All right.
And this is how someone punches over the nuts.
Oh man, I'm a little nervous
Try
now.
number 2. Try number 2.
Told you. I told you. We're jumping up by what, a factor of 4?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Just about.
Okay.
Third try. Don't cut you out. Third try, don't cut you out. He's gonna gnaw through it.
I'm just gonna tighten it.
Oh,
Oh man.
it's hard.
You're like, yeah, I'm done. I'm not out.
Yeah. Oh man, I'm scared I'm gonna hit myself.
Okay, Kevin, you won't move out.
I'm good. Tim plays.
It's in the
I'm out. I have been kidnapped. I can't even free
So,
myself.
I don't think we need to move on to the bigger one.
No.
We're still gonna do it.
Ah, wow, that was
Alright, Dave.
Wow.
Thoughts?
quite surprised.
I warned you. False sense of security.
Yeah, false
That
sense
one.
of security.
Here you
We're going
That
by a
first one
factor
was
of
way
4.
too easy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we jumped
We're
up a
jumping a factor
bunch.
of 4 to get to this one.
Alright, oh, plenty tight. Oh, jeez, here we go.
He wants you to
He's gonna
suffer as
get
well.
every inch. Alright. Ah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Tight.
That actually looks unhealthy.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot.
Too late now.
Oh,
And
wow.
that's how Kevin lost his hands.
Pass the point of no return to go.
Oh!
Wow!
It was, you know, it might have helped. It was tighter.
I can see it from over here.
Yeah, that was really tight.
That was impressive.
That was impressive.
Dude.
Okay,
Oh,
I'm moving on.
Wait, help me out. Help me out here. Give me a tip. Did you, like, spread your hands as you were going down?
Yeah, because he's coming down. I just ripped
Oh,
apart.
so I just cut. I was just
You
bringing
just
my...
came straight down.
You gotta rip apart.
I'm like skiing.
No, you gotta pull. That's.
Oh, okay.
You're the one teaching the technique.
I mean, like...
All right. It might actually help Kevin. It was a little tighter.
Oh, see?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Tight?
Yeah, it's tight.
Alright. Let's see if it works.
Wow,
There you
man. Okay, hold on. Okay.
Well,
oh yeah, I
so
think that would
The
obviously
thing,
give
the
you
thing,
more
the
room.
thing, the thing I wanted to test was like you're gonna get zip tied. Like already have your wrists like this when you hold them out. Twist them and then.
I wonder if you could like, well,
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't know if that was actually a
Helpful.
thing or not, but
Yeah, it helped.
I mean, I think it was
It
one of
worked.
the options.
Even though we're just all
Let's do it the
all our
regular
thicker
way, too.
wrists are stronger than.
oh, we got some broken skin right there.
Oh.
Awesome.
There, that's
Oh,
what we
see,
expect.
there
We
we go.
expect
Wait,
it
wait,
so-
Let's put that up for the camera.
You're blocking out all the light, dude.
Yeah, both of you are blocking all the light. How's this gonna?
There you go. Look at that. Look at that.
Broken skin.
I mean, it's not bad.
All right.
I've had worse.
Okay,
itchy
let's
now.
do it the actual way now. Well, I guess you can't really say there's an actual way. Do you want it tighter? Should I make it tighter?
I don't know. I don't think the kidnappee really has much say in this.
Here we go.
Oh, see? Oh. Oh, man.
Alright, Dave, round 2.
See?
Oh, wait, hey.
Oh, man. Now,
In
you know,
honor of our grouping, Dave has to do a round 2.
see, now the shame I will bear upon myself if I do not get this. Absolute shame.
Yeah,
Alright.
we're gonna laugh so hard if this doesn't help you. Because it just proves, nope, it wasn't technique, it's just these.
It's just Dave.
No strength.
Don't know.
Yeah,
Don't know.
strength.
Go for speed, not strength. Alright.
Here you go.
I feel like I'm getting ready to lift or something.
This is when he punches himself in the nuts.
There it is.
There it is.
Alright. Thicker gauge. Alright, one each.
On guard.
I just whipped it. Play right, Kevin?
Yeah.
Me and Kevin's pretty tacular.
We got the target. We're moving out.
Where's the bag to put on his head?
Ah!
Give him a blanket party.
No!
That's
One's a tie.
Alright. 14-inch, 75-pound.
There we go.
Well,
You're about to say something. Yes?
I was
Yes?
gonna say, well, if you
Wait,
find
wait.
yourself in this position, this
What ice the
situation,
kicker?
you know how to get out of it now. Nice.
Yeah!
Look at your wrists.
Ah.
Yeah, you tightened it pretty tight, man.
Yeah.
I'm not letting Dave tighten mine right. I don't trust Dave.
I'm merciless.
Merciless.
Yeah, okay, I guess that's the way you say it.
And there you
Well,
go.
that's the way you say it. Alright. Alright. If I swing this right, I'm gonna hit Kevin in the nuts.
Run, Kevin, run.
Ooh.
Oh man.
Don't you tighten it more?
It just got quiet all the
Yeah,
way.
this is not going. No, it's pretty tight. It's like, it's... Yeah.
Oh.
Nope.
Oh.
Nope. It's just not. It's just turn.
Come out.
I just turned my wrist.
Here you go.
Oh,
Alright. Yeah.
that's nice train tracks.
Oh, jeez. Look at our
Look, I
wrists.
it went up and down because I moved it around. Oh, thing too.
Yeah, possibly. Like where we're on your wrist.
It was like that.
Here, go tighter.
Tighter?
Turn
Yeah.
it.
Ah! You said tighter.
You asked for
Don't blame me. Dude, your skin's pinching like right here.
I know.
Oh, there it is.
Got it.
Ah.
Does it hurt?
Ah, yeah.
Hurt, huh?
Ah.
Look at that.
Ah. Ah. I know.
So I'll do the control first for Dave.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Loosening up, getting ready. Do a couple of squats, you know. Limber up.
Just stretch. And face.
Nice.
It might be the tension.
Thinking back on the last couple seconds, like when I brought it down, I like tense out my stomach and then pulled apart.
Yeah, I was doing that
So-
too. That was the thing.
We'll fix it in post.
Ah.
Is this what you wanted?
I don't want to go. All right.
That power stance.
And it's nuts. Why am I not?
Now you see how Dave feels.
You just make it so I'm gonna be the one that spits myself in the nuts.
Self-fulfilling prophecy.
Yeah, this is true. No.
Oh man.
Cut you out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
All right, that's two.
Nice effort. Nice effort.
I still not.
My wrists hurt. I don't know if anyone else's wrists hurt. Mine are scarred. But can we just look at Tim's shirt real quick? I've kidnapped
sorry.
myself. Give me $100, you'll never see me again.
Sweet.
All right.
I don't have $100.
Bye bye.
Well,
Do I go as tight as I can?
Sure. Actually,
Oh wait.
Yeah. I feel
yeah,
like
if I continued working, I probably could just slide it out. Well, now I see how you feel.
Loose, yeah.
Yeah,
The
I
looseness isn't helping.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I don't know. Huh.
Nope.
So try and tighten it then. Just cut it off. You don't need it.
I didn't commit with that one.
Commit!
even I
You
felt
fail.
that. Yeah. No. Okay. Yeah. So myth busted. To quote the mighty Adam Savage.
Oh,
Yeah.
snap, he's tightening it.
Yeah. There we
you
go.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
Okay. So that confirms it then. It doesn't work for like the higher gauge stuff.
Because you guys all broke it.
Oh wait! Is this what I think?
Hold on,
it is?
alright.
So this is the 24-in indoor use meets military specs.
Jeez.
Flexible nylon.
175-pound strength.
Can you get that? It's like right
175.
there.
That's more than twice the last ones we were using.
Say, whoa! Heads up! Light.
Gotcha.
Quick, say razor blades with an Australian accent.
Rise of lights.
What?
Wow. This thing has its own zip ties for the zip ties.
That's hilarious. Is that as a fortune?
Alright.
So.
Dude, your wrists are chewed up.
Yeah, like destroyed.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my gosh, you can hear it.
Keep going. Keep going. Yeah.
Oh my
going.
So
god.
this is what you saw I see in Dog the Bounty Hunter.
Yeah. Okay, this is tight.
Alright.
Should we
Okay.
cut that so it doesn't get in the way?
It's gonna slap me in the face as I come down. It's like, ah!
No.
Leave it on.
No.
Leave it
No,
on.
we want
Leave it
the.
on.
Okay.
Oh,
This
jeez.
one we legitimately might need the protection, eye protection.
Now you see why I'm behind the camera.
No, I'm just gonna cover my
Put my
eyes.
hat down.
What is this? Am I gonna die or something? I just feel scared doing this.
I heard that.
Try number one. Okay, try number two. I get 2 more tries.
Yeah. No, you go until you feel like you can't do it anymore.
Okay, go.
Right after that first one, it kind of like blows your mind a little bit.
Yeah.
You're like, I blasted through these other ones, and
Yeah,
now.
no, this is...
False sense of security, guys.
Yeah, definite false sense of security.
See, now you're afraid.
Okay, here we go. Ah, no. Dang, these are crazy. Okay, last try. If I don't get on this, cut me out, please.
No, we're gonna tighten it.
Can you tighten it anymore?
Is there any more?
Can I? There you
A
go.
little bit.
You're just gonna ask your kidnapper, hey, can you tighten this a bit more?
Hey, I feel like I could get out of these. Can you tighten them, please? Oh, jeez, these are tight. Nope.
All right, where's
Nope. You hear that? That's your doom.
Ah, my gosh, kick, tighten it a little bit more.
Told you this is king.
Just a little bit.
That's as far as we go.
Yeah. Oh
Nope.
man.
Oh
One
god.
Once more would feel.
And that's how Dave lost his hands. The artist was never the same again.
Oh, like
We say razor blades in Australian accent.
rise of lights.
Is that gonna be a thing?
Seriously,
Anytime like
that's
a
what we
light
think for our
falls?
thing now.
Oh man.
Right.
Oh man. Ah! Oh man, I don't think I can do this.
You gotta commit.
I did commit.
You gotta hit yourself as hard as Kevin did.
We want to hear it.
Yeah.
Ah! Yeah, no, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this.
2 more tries.
It's scaring. It's like it's scaring himself. That's what it was doing with me the last one. I was
It's gonna
like,
get
ugh.
harder.
Yeah.
All right,
I don't-
one more.
I don't think I got this. No, we will. We'll try. We'll do it. Ah!
It looks like you're trying to commit like.
Yeah, nope, that's about it.
That's it.
I think I'm stuck.
Now he's gonna
I kidnapped myself.
I should just make him tighten it. I should make him just tighten it himself because he's kidnapping himself, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, to make it dramatic.
Tim's first try.
See, that was my technique too at the end.
Oh.
It worked last time.
I was partially hoping there. I was partially hoping.
Yeah, I think
You
we all
know?
had a little bit of
Yeah.
hope that it would work, but I feel like he just hurt himself.
Nope. Yeah, no, that is.
That's good.
Bye, guys.
That's
All the way. Jeez, what are we gonna try to do now?
by the back, because you're an idiot.
Yeah.
And you kept your hands. You kept your hands here.
Yeah, I
I
did.
kind of want to try this.
All right. This
Jeez.
technique. You're gonna have to figure out technique because we don't know one. So
All right.
this
I'm
is
back.
how you probably would actually get taken, unless you know we're gonna put in a car. So this is legitimately how we're trying to get out now. All right.
Jeez.
Just do the reverse. Raise your arms up.
I know, that's what I was thinking.
You won't get
Break
enough.
my shoulders.
It depends. How desperate are you to escape?
Look, Kevin, get your hands above your heads, Kevin.
Okay.
Sit down, you're rocking the boat.
It's not happening.
Hey!
Wow.
What'd you do?
Yeah. He flexed. He flexed hard, painfully hard, because he's not cool.
Where'd he go?
Wow.
here.
Is that it?
Did you just hold your hands apart?
Yeah.
Because you remember your arms gotta naturally want to go out, so you gotta
Yeah.
still pull your arms forward. Really is what.
Wow.
I think the flopping was the funniest part, though.
But hey,
You know the best part really?
it's possible.
We didn't know why you were like. It's just, okay, she's on his side. Is that gonna do anything? All right, Tim, you said you want to try this.
Yeah, I kind of do.
All right.
If you think about it, when you actually bring your arms around, it's like you're clapping.
It's like
back
you're
and forth.
actually arresting him. It's like, can you please step forward?
Yeah.
It would be better if we just didn't know why he's on his knee.
For your cooperation.
Followed by.
And face. Because that's all he has to do
You
is
see
push
his
you
broken
over.
skin.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, widen those shoulders. Like, cover my eyes.
Proves that Kevin has pretty good shoulders, but it took him a while. More nutrition.
But I think it's a good point. Kevin's got wider shoulders. so-
Yeah, Kevin, me and Kevin are built wider than you guys. So it's
So if you skinny, you doomed.
Hit yourself in the butt there, Tim.
That's not time to say that phrase. Especially when all we're doing is seeing your hands go near your butt.
Great shot of Tim's butt right now, though. Just flex really. Viewership, guys. Viewership. This is
And
great.
this is where we lost everybody. Hey guys, why are we down like 20 followers? We didn't even have that many.
You good? You tap out?
You're gonna flop around first, like Kevin?
Well, okay, so you might have to try the alternative way, since like try and like bring your hands down past your butt.
The only way I can see myself doing that is if I do that previous thing I tried where it was like
Wide.
wide and then switching in. That way that way there would be some slack for me to pull out. So
I guess in that case, slack would be good.
I'd be willing to try that.
We have to do.
We have to take this off.
Okay, we're done.
Yeah.
You have the right to remain silent. And
Wait,
The right to
I gotta
attorney.
wait till he
if
leaves.
you don't have an attorney, one can be provided. If you understand these rights, I think it's all of them, right?
Oh, lame. Lame.
Cheater.
Okay. Sir, put your wrists together. Sir, don't fight me on this.
I'll do what I want.
There we go.
All right.
I think that's better.
Are you done?
You're the one that's in custody. Don't complain, son. Alright, let's try that now. That might be better.
Oh yeah, you
Or like, just bring
Yeah,
your...
well, okay, here's a question. Can he do that without like his hands being bound? Can he put his hands under?
yeah.
Oh,
You just
you
have to
are.
slide it out.
Yeah.
It'll go over.
ah.
Definitely.
Hey! Yay!
Nice.
It actually worked that time.
Nice.
All right, so Dave, what have we learned?
We learned that it's actually pretty tough to break out of zip ties.
Yep.
There's
Yes,
a
it
reason
is.
why they are used. But yeah, we couldn't get this big one, as you saw.
Yeah, these are impossible.
Yeah!
He got it.
Finally.
I just needed to do that for myself.
Yeah,
Ugh.
so I mean, obviously we said don't try this at home, but if you want to try it out, send us videos of you guys like breaking zip ties, and
Yeah.
if you can break this thick one, you know, more props to you, you know.
Please be sure you're trying to be safe when you do it.
Yes.
Yeah, eye protection.
Do not do this by yourself. As you saw, several of us tried to, you know, even with me, I tried self-tightening it, and when I couldn't get out, what are you gonna do if you're flying solo?
Do it under some sort of supervision.
Yes. If you like what you saw, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Click that notification bell to be updated when new videos drop. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. We'll see you in the next bonus round.
Later.
Bye. Bye. I clean up now.
No.
And then we all just awkwardly walk away.
We didn't plan that part.
You're
All
never
right.
supposed to plan the
Well,
parts.
Instagram.